Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you guys? Hope you all are doing well. Here I am going to present my major and most important themes in Vladimir Nabokov's Pale Fire along with examples and quotes. But before listening, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more lectures and notes. And please share my YouTube channel's link with your friends. Without any delay, let's get started.
1. Reality, disguise, and illusion. The novel explores the blood alleality and fantasy, particularly through the character of Charles Kinbote, who may be delusional about his identity as thinking of Zembla. 4. Example. Charles Kinbote is really at the center of this theme. A zone of the novel's plot elements forces the question of whether or not Charles Kinbote is really King Charles Theobald of Zembla.
Fate and Destiny *. The novel challenges the idea of fate and destiny, suggesting that life is shaped by chance and coincidence, rather than a predetermined plan. If fate does exist, Nabokov shows that it is not determined by intention, but can be foiled by disguises and by human error.
Exile and memory. The theme of exile is prominent in the novel, reflecting Nabokov's own experiences as an migrant. Kinbote's nostalgia for Zembla serves as a metaphor for the dislocation and longing that accompany exile. I was holding all Zembla pressed to my heart highlights Kinbote's deep emotional connection to his homeland.
The nature of art *. The novel explores the relationship between art and reality, suggesting that art can create its own unique reality. Reality is neither the subject nor the object of true art, which creates its own special reality having nothing to do with the average reality perceived by the communal eye cubed. 5. Identity and self-deception *. Kinbote. S unreliable narration raises questions about the nature of identity and how it can be distorted by self-deception. Kinbote's ambiguity is expressed through his personal text as he takes fanciful liberties to comment on Shade's poem, and soon diverts from Shade's theme of death, loss, and love to a fictitious kingdom of Zembla. 6. Loss and longing *. The novel explores the themes of loss and longing, particularly in the context of grief and bereavement. For as we know from dreams, it is so hard to speak to our dear dead. They disregard our apprehension, queasiness, and shame captures the pain of losing loved ones squared.